Hi everyone, DIY Dad, Ken Breheim here with another video. Today we're going to be demonstrating the Sunjoe pressure washer, which has 1600 psi and a 1.1 gallons per minute with an open nozzle. One of the nice features about this is it has an adjustable tip for spraying. The Sunjoe power washer, it connects really simple and basic like most power washers. You're going to first have the hose that attaches to the back side of the pressure washer. The other end of the hose, of course, goes to the wand, and that just pushes in. And then for the water source, your garden hose connects to the front. There's a picture of a faucet right there. And one of the nice features is this has a 35-foot power cord, which is really nice. Most power washers only give you a 10 to 15-foot power cord. One of the things you want to remember when you're connecting all the different devices is on the hose. If this is too tight, it may pop off. So only hand tighten it. If you go too tight, you could strip the threads. You must turn on the water first before you start the power washer. Otherwise you'll hurt the motor. Okay, when you're using the Sunjoe pressure washer, you want to always start with a more wider spray so you don't damage the paint on your car. The washout easily, it takes the dirt off. Just think, I just saved myself $12 from going to a car wash. It only takes seconds to do, and done. For ordering the Sunjoe pressure washer, go to heartlandamerica.com. Part number is 67684.